So you're not getting the water pressure out of your water faucet that you normally do. Might need cleaning. How about cleaning a torch tip? Maybe a paint sprayer. I got a tool in that is multifunctional. It has cleaning brushes and cleaning rods to clean out your, like a torch tip, the little jet holes. And we're going to try it today on a water faucet that seems to have lost its water pressure. I'm going to go take that off, and we're going to bring it back in here, take a look at it, and then we're going to take a look at this and see if we can remedy the problem. And back when I was welding, a lot of the tools we used was something like this. Clean your torch tips with them, your cutting torch. Yep, that's exactly what they were. You just open that up, get the size you need, close that back up, and then you have it. You can run that in and out of the jets of a torch tip or whatever other kind of jet you have. But today we are going to be cleaning some water faucet parts. And I lost the water pressure last night. Hopefully this will help remedy that problem. I don't really know what size will, yeah, that size will work. So basically you just want to run these in here, get these cleared out, go all the way around, get that cleared out. Seems to be cleared, but we have our brushes here that we can kind of wipe that off with. Just pick a brush, we'll just kind of dabble that around in there a little bit, clean that up a little. Clean these out too, couldn't we? These brushes are gentle, so you don't have to worry about damaging anything. I just wouldn't get too carried away with it, but soft. See how I'm rubbing my finger on it, so it's not too harsh. But you see it's getting this cleaned up. Not a problem at all. Won't hurt that little rubber ring right there. Now let's get this put back together and see if we have better water pressure now. We'll get this put back in here. Looky there. We have water pressure again. Y'all saw what it was a while ago, and you can see what it is now. Well, there is our jet cleaning set. It has 13 needles and tools on this part, and this one has 5 nylon brushes as well as 10 needles to clean stuff out and an Allen wrench tool. So if you have something that has the jet sprays like a water faucet, cutting torch, paint spray gun, something that has little ports in it, sometimes those get clogged up. I'm sure you'll have a tool here that you can run through there and get that little jet cleaned out, and everything will flow better. So, pretty cool. These are good tools to keep in your toolbox just in case you need them. You never know.